Hi everybody, welcome tonight, or today, or this morning, whatever time it may be for you. It's evening for me. I tend to paint in the evening after work. So what I have in front of me here is an 8x10 canvas that's already has a black base on it. And I think I'm going to do a flip cup on it. And I've chose some really bright colors to go on this black background. This is Anita's Florescent Pink. I have a violet. I have a Cadmium Yellow light. And I have some gold. And I am going to start out by putting gold in the bottom of the cup because it's going to sink. I want to leave some negative space on here. Put some of the violet in. And this canvas, this 8x10 canvas, it only needs about 3 ounces of paint for the entire thing. And this is a 3-ounce cup that I have. So I'm not going to be filling it all the way because I don't want to cover the entire canvas. Put a little more gold. A little more of the purple. A little bit of fluorescent pink. Tiny bit of the yellow. And I'm going to put just 2 drops of treadmill silicone in here. And I'm going to give it a nice little swirl. Oh, that's cool. Cup looks really neat. And I'm just going to give it a flip. Let it all run down. Put the caps back on my paints so that I don't forget about them. And it's kind of popping up out from underneath the cup. Oh, it's pretty neat. And I am just gonna let it out slow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's gonna let it out slowly, but it kind of all wanted to come out right there. Pull it across the canvas. Like that. Let's see what we can make this do. It's got some really pretty cells there already. I like the way it looks up at that corner, so I'm going to bring it down off this corner because it got a little bit crazy over there. Not quite liking the way that side looks. Get down. Float that paint back to the center. Just do it slowly. Making all my cells go wonky. I'll bring it off that corner and see what happens. a little bit. Well, the colors are certainly pretty. There's not much of a composition here. I'm going to give it a torch, see if there's any cells that are going to come up. Get rid of any air that might be in there. Not too much going on. I'm not real sure that I like what's going on here. It's a little plain Jane. I think I'm going to get it with the balloon. Just a balloon here. It's been blown up for probably a month. It's kind of squishy. Let's see what we get. Doing this. A lot of paint right there with that one. I might have to hit it again. Let's see. Hit it that way, and I'm going to turn the balloon around. Trying to deposit some of the color on the outside. There we go. This one didn't stay. Roll it off the edge. Ooh, I like that. Give it another one right here. Much better. I like that much better. Let's see if we can soften the edges a little bit by torching it. Just kind of giving it a quick little, getting a little up close. That I like. I like the way the colors are running down the center. Right there, I don't care for it too much. Let's see if we can hit that again. Let's see what happens. Okay. Well, I don't know how much I like it. You tell me what you think. I like the colors. I'm not really digging the composition so much, but I'm afraid if I do anything more to it, it's going to turn into mud. So I'm going to leave it the way it is and call it good. Let it dry and we'll come back to it. Alright guys, thanks for visiting with me tonight. Appreciate it. Tonight, today, this morning. Appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you ring the bell, you'll be notified when I upload a video. Have a good night. Bye.